Alright guys, we got this oil filter here. It's really on there. It's really tight. As you can see, we'll try to break it loose. It's just not breaking loose. So, I mean, you have a couple options here. One option is you can take a pipe wrench and, you know, you might not be able to get that wrench under there. You might need a bigger wrench, whatever. Another option is you guys can use the tool that's made for taking them off, but those, you know, they can run around, you know, around $10 to $20, and you just don't really feel like going out and buying one because you're doing an oil change. So in order to get this off, it's a simple solution. All you need is a screwdriver, just like this. Pretty self-explanatory. As long as you're not planning on keeping this filter, this should definitely do the job. So, alright guys, this is pretty simple. So what you need to do is you're going to take your screwdriver. You want to find a good place for it. I'm going to choose right there. And you want to get your hammer. You just want to pound right into it. Just like that. Nice and simple. Alright, so we got our screwdriver in there. It's pounded right through. Now all we're going to do, we're going to take it and we're going to twist. Make sure you got that oil pan under there. That sucker's really on there. Alright, we're just going to go with a shorter screwdriver here. That way we got more turning radius. Like that. Alright, so this one's really on there, so we're just going to punch it through. Get another hole in there. You can just like that. Now we can finish it with our hands. The oil is nice and hot. Recommend wearing gloves for this. So that's how it's done right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you think. Alright guys, another thing that you can do in order to not get your filter stuck like that. It works every time for me. I do this every single time. We got our new filter here. What you're going to want to do is get some of your new oil. Dip your finger in there. Get a nice little dab. Just like that. Just want to go around this seal here, and that helps it create a good seal for putting it on. It goes on nice and well, and most of all, it doesn't get stuck. Next time you go there, go under there to get your filter off. Just put on a glove or something and it should screw right off. So